I can't open my locker. I can't open it.
Want some help?
Yeah, sure.
So you go to your number, which is?
38.
So you go to 38. Then you go past 38 to your next number, which is?
42.
And then you go straight to your next number, which is?
0. Yes, I finally opened it. Thank you, mighty 7th grader.